Hey everybody, Fun with Fire, doing a demo Crackling Silver Salute from Phantom Firework, 36 supercharged pieces. Emits crackling sparks. Now, when I first saw these at Stop and Shop, I thought, oh, maybe they made a mistake and sent firecrackers. Well, they're not firecrackers, they're crackling. But they look so much like firecrackers. So I just had to buy them and check them out just to see what they're like. And they're not bad. They're kind of loud, you know. See, they look like a Silver Salute firecracker. It says Silver Salute. But, you know, once you see crackling, you know, no. But let's check it out. Alright, so here we go. Here's the first one. And here we go. Here's another one. There you go. Not bad.